Okay, today we are going to make rye bread rolls, and I'm using the bread recipe. And I'm also using an alternate for brown sugar. It's called Swerve. I don't know if anybody's ever tried it, but that's what I'm using today. So let's get going. We have to put it in according to order here. 270 milligrams of water. Going right in. Oil, 3 tablespoons of oil. 1 teaspoon of salt, and I use pink Himalayan salt. Brown sugar, 3 tablespoons going right in. 2 cups of white flour going right in. Hopefully I don't make a mess with this. Not too bad for me. And rye flour, 2 cups. Hopefully no mess. No mess. And then we have yeast, 1 1/4 teaspoon of yeast going right in. Just like that. Everything will be down below in the subscription box, the recipe. So we're going to close the lid. Just like this. And the recipe I'm using is right here. Right here. And I'm using Elite Gourmet bread machine. And it says I need a number 6, and that's what it says here. So I'm going to hit menu, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to hit start. There it goes. Can you hear it? See if I can pan you down a little closer. And it says 3 hours and 30 minutes, and I will bring you back. Okay, my machine just stopped. My hands are nice and clean. Let me get the dough out here. Actually, it feels like it baked. I wasn't expecting it to bake. I was just wanting it for the dough. I'm not sure what we got here. Interesting. Owie, very hot. Hold on, I'll be right back. Well, I hit the wrong button. This machine is all new to me, and something even better. I made a little loaf of bread and I cooked it right in there. So it smells amazing in here. A little loaf of bread, all done. It's very, very hot. And when it cools down, we'll take a test. But look at it, it cooked really well. And it came out good. See, I thought I was getting rolls, and this would make a nice bowl of put soup inside or dip or whatever. I don't know, I might change it up again. But right now, it ended up being a small loaf of bread, all cooked here in the Elite Gourmet bread machine. So I'll bring you back when it's cool because it's very hot right now. I just burnt my finger getting it out. Okay, guys. Okay, finally I'm sitting down. I like to say thank you to everybody that wished me well for not feeling well. Excuse me, I'm still a little under the weather, but feel much better. I believe it was medicated related. I was allergic to some medicine that made me terribly sick. So this is the wonderful small rye bread I made. Ray's gonna be surprised because he thinks he's getting dinner rolls for supper. But hey, with MAINEiac Grammie Blender, you never know what's gonna be on my videos. So I'm gonna just cut a very small piece for me. And I'm not gonna use any butter because I'm watching what we're eating, and butter is one of them. Making a mess here, aren't I? Should have got a bigger plate. Look at that. My hands are nice and clean. Very nice. And look, oh, smells wonderful. It really does. And I am very grateful to have this. So let's try it. It's still warm. Butter would have been really yummy. Very good. Can you see the inside of that? Look at that. Oh, it's so good. So this was made again with Elite Gourmet bread maker. I thought I was putting into Rye's to make some rolls, but instead I ended up with a beautiful little loaf of bread, and it sure does look good. Smells even better. So please give me thumbs up so YouTube can recognize there's a lot going on here at MAINEiac Grammys. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. I never know what's going to be on my videos. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Here in Maine, when we got up, I think it was 42 this morning. That's a little cool, but hey, it's that time of year. It's fall. Fall's right around the corner. So the leaves are starting to change. The birds are coming and getting lots of bird seed. Folks that hunt are getting ready to hunt. Moose season's getting ready to start. Turkey season's getting ready to start. Next month it will be deer hunting season. So a lot going on here in Maine. But again, I wanted to share with you. And if you look down below, I'll have all the ingredients on how to make this. Now, if you use another bread machine, I'm not sure how it will work. My other bread machine, I could use any bread recipe. It was wonderful. This here is a lot different than mine. Very much more sophisticated, a lot more numbers. I pressed 6 and it said for rye, but I thought I was getting rye dough, not rye bread already made. But this is a small loaf. It came out wonderful, smells wonderful. What more can I ask for? I'm thankful. How about you? So, again, you never know what's on my videos. And be safe out there. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.